Hi everyone, I am Vinit Kumar. In this video, I am going to build a simple random code generator using class-based component and state in React. So here state is an object which stores the information about the component. So here we can see the output of my task, and then we will implement this task in writing to code. So here we can see this is the my initial default code, and here I have one button. Whenever I click the button, I want to change that code. So here I am clicking the button. Here the code is changing. So we can see here. So let's get started to write code. Here I already created random code JSX file. In app.js, I imported that file. So here I'm importing the React from React library, and here I export default class. Here I am defining the class that name is random code and extends with React.component. So in this I am writing the render method. In this render, here I am returning value. So in the output page, I want to show the first initial default code and button. So before going to write code, here I am writing the constructor. This constructor is used to initialize the state value. Super. Here I am taking this dot state. This state has only one property, that name is code. Here I am giving the initial value. So practice. So in the screen, I want to display the that initial code and one button. So here I am taking the one div. In this div, I am giving the one class name, code container. So here I am giving the initial state value, this dot state dot code, and here I am giving the button random code. So here I already written some CSS. So I want to import that CSS file in this component. Import random CSS. Here we can see the output. So here, this is the initial default value. So here whenever I click the button, I want to change this code. So here I am writing the onClick function for this button. OnClick this dot random code. So here I am defining the function random code. Here I want some multiple codes of array. So here I have already some data. I'm copying from this and pasting here. So here I want to generate random code from that array. So constant random. Here I am creating one variable. Here I am using the math.random to generate the random number. Method into quotes dot length. So here we can console, we can see that it is generating or not. Whenever I click the button, the random code is generating. So then now I want to change the state here. Here I am changing the state using state method. This state method is used to update the state value. So put ports of random index. So let's see it is changing or not. Here we can see the port is changing. So this is all about random code generator. Thank you for watching. Thank you.